This is the A1 Tape's silver PVC duct tape. It is a durable, general-purpose duct tape designed for sealing, securing, bundling, and temporary repair applications. Each roll measures 48 mm wide by 30 meters long, with a 130 micron thickness. The silver finish makes it suitable for a wide range of commercial, warehouse, workshop, maintenance, and industrial uses. This tape can be used for temporary repairs, sealing gaps, bundling materials, holding protective coverings in place, and general maintenance tasks. It is a practical option to keep on hand in packing areas, warehouses, factories, construction sites, transport depots, and maintenance rooms. The tape is available in 6-roll packs, 36-roll cartons, and a 72-roll bulk buy option for higher volume users. A1 Tape's silver PVC duct tape is a versatile everyday tape for businesses that need a strong, practical solution for general sealing, repair, and securing tasks.